Meet Jackie, a tiny, fluffy kitten with a giant love for skateboarding. He zooms down the sidewalk on his tiny board, ears flapping in the wind. Sometimes he falls, sometimes he tumbles, but Jackie always gets back up. He practices every single day, rain or shine, paw or claw, but despite his cool tricks, Jackie has no friends to cheer him. One day, while scrolling on his phone after skating, he sighed deeply. Other kittens have tons of followers and friends. Why not me? That's when Jackie had an idea. He'd start filming his skateboard adventures. He set up a tiny camera, hit record, and showed off his best tricks. But no one watched. Not even one view. Jackie's tail dropped. How will I ever make friends? Still, he didn't give up. He studied the most viral kitten creators online. He saw flashy moves, wild costumes, and hilarious fails. So Jackie leveled up. Rainbow helmet, sunglasses, and fireworks on his board. He slid down stair rails, jumped over toy cars, even crashed into a cake. Kittens noticed. Comments poured in. Who is this fearless orange kitten? Jackie was overjoyed. Kittens were finally watching. Now I'll definitely make some friends, he thought with a sparkle in his eyes. And he did. Tons of kittens wanted to skate, laugh, and do silly stunts with him. At first, Jackie was thrilled to have a crew of fun, fearless kitten friends, but over time, a strange sadness quietly crept in. He didn't understand it at first. He had friends, he was doing what he loved, right? Yet something felt off. He was exhausted from always chasing the next crazy video. Jackie remembered why he started. He just wanted to enjoy skateboarding and find friends, he thought. But now that I have friends, maybe I can just be me again. So he started making simple videos again. No flashy outfits, no firecrackers, just skating. The views dropped fast. This isn't the Jackie we love, angry comments meowed. Bring back the danger. Jackie sat quietly, thinking, do I want to stay popular by pretending, or be happy doing what I truly love? He chose happiness, even if it meant skating alone again. His view count shrank to almost nothing, but a few kittens stayed, kittens who just wanted to ride for fun, like him. His phone rested quietly in his bag, the internet buzzing far. Jackie, with two new friends by his side, skated into the sunset. No pressure, no performance. He was finally himself again. And in the end, it was all worth it. Every fall, every video, every moment of doubt. Because by trying, failing, and staying true to himself, Jackie found what he was looking for. Not just any friends, but the real ones who liked him for who he truly was. Maybe he found them not the way he expected, but exactly the way it was meant to be. Follow along with more perfect kitten tales, and don't forget to tap the bell so you won't miss the next adventure.